Hello, Vayo, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Finally, welcome to the presentation ceremony of SportsX, Scorpion SportsX 2025, first ever tournament for Scorpion. It's nice to see everybody here. Few people are missing due to some genuine reason. It's okay, they will get to see the video. So, to start off the proceeding, we will call upon Mr. Abdul Masih, please, to start with some Quran recitation.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك وإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah khair. So, we will call upon our President, Mr. Mohsin Rimani, to give us the opening words, please.
Assalamualaikum भाइयों. First of all, आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you all for coming. I know it's Sunday or something, family commitments भी होते हैं, but thank you for coming to this trophy event of Scorpions Summer X event which we have started this year in 2025, and inshallah with the support of all of you, we will continue this thing every year. So few important announcements are there which I need to make. Basic things, just to going over what Scorpions Cricket Club is all about. Of course, I have been saying this since day one, that the unity that we have in this team, in this club, is utmost important. With that, it goes without saying that without discipline, no club can run successfully, and we have made it this far, alhamdulillah. We have seen people coming in, going because of their own reasons, but the discipline is there, the unity is there, the bond is there, because of which we are successful and we have come so far, this far. And inshallah, the dream is to continue this club and go towards more further decades, inshallah. So discipline is one thing which I would like to emphasize upon. कि भाई सब लोग discipline का, timings, attitude, off the field, on the field, discipline is overall the package. All these things are counted. So requesting once again, entire Scorpions, whoever is here, whoever will be listening to this message later on, that please take care of discipline in terms of all the aspects that I have just mentioned, which is respect for each other, love for each other, unity, timings, attitude on the field, off the field, and yeah, this is the first message that I want to give. Secondly, what we have been doing Scorpions में क्या करते हैं? शुरू से ये है, कुछ सालों तक तो like since it was formed and we were only 15 members, we were just as I said, sorry, we were 15 members. This, as I said, with the support of all of you, I started the club. So I was the captain for 5-6 years. But then the thought came that why not keep changing the captain, bring a new flavor. And since then, every year we have been changing captains. And mashallah, because of the size of the club, we have around almost 26-27 members now. And it is not sufficient to have just one match a week. You guys have noticed that since years, we have been having 2 weeks, if not 3, 2 matches, if not 3 during the week. And because of which we have like 2 captains. So last year, Atif and Khalid were captaining the sides. Atif was leading the white ball tournaments. Khalid was leading the red ball tournaments. And as per the stats so far that we have, number of tournaments we have played, mashallah, 80 to 85% success was there. Whether it was under the leadership of Khalid or under the leadership of Atif. So I would like whoever is present, a big round of applause to both of them for their dedication, for their support, for their dedication. dedication, and captainship is not just like on the field. I'm sure all of you by now are aware that कितनी मेहनत लगती है पीछे. टीम की अवेलेबिलिटी लेना, लड़के शॉर्ट हो, लड़के पूरे करना, स्कॉर्पियंस के लड़के नहीं अवेलेबल, बाहर से लड़के अरेंज करना, टाइमिंग्स, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, clashes with the matches that we have. So organizer से बात करना, transportation. Some of you don't have transportation. I do understand. So these are the two people that everybody approaches, and so मेरी तरफ से भी Galib and Atif, you guys have done a wonderful job, fabulous job, and inshallah I will be again coming back to these guys if I don't find any other leader quality in others. Everybody is a good player. Everybody plays to win, and I know that motivation is there. So for the coming season, which is starting most probably next week, we'll be having our first match of the new season 2025-26. So the captains are being changed as per what Scotland's policy is. That every year we will change the captains and bring new flavor, new touch. So thank you Atif for being the white ball captain. You will continue as a vice captain for the white ball tournaments, and the new captain for the white ball matches for 2025 and 2026 is none other than Shadab Isa.
Go Vipers. कैप्टन बनो यार, ये क्या है यार?
बाउंस हो गए
फोटो ले लो भाई, फोटो लो मेरा. भाई ये रूल का साल के बाद दोबारा पीछे वाला भी आएगा.
हाँ, so Shady has previously led the side. Shady has previously led the side. He is aware of the responsibilities, and just because like, we have to change the captains and bring a new flavor, we are bringing him again. And I don't need to brief you. You are already aware. You know क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. I'm hoping for all the best and good luck for the 25-26. You will be captaining all the matches, all the tournaments with white ball. Now coming to the red ball. Galib bhai, usually we play red ball of course in the morning, और सुबह वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा टफ होता है कंपेयर, जो मुझे लगता है, I could be wrong, मुझे लगता है कि सुबह के मैचेस शेड्यूल करना, उसमें अवेलेबिलिटी लेना, उसमें सारा ऑर्गेनाइज करना, not in the policy, it is Galib bhai's big heart, ये नाश्ता अरेंज करना, स्नैक्स अरेंज करना. I hope Galib will continue to be the vice captain of the red ball tournament, and he continues these services for us. तो थैंक यू गालिब भाई, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. एंड द रेड बॉल कैप्टन फॉर 2025-2026, it has been decided by the committee to give a chance to our newest member, one of the newest members, Mr. Hassan Jaswal.
हसन भाई
खैर नहीं
हसन के लिए फर्स्ट टाइम होगा स्कॉर्पियंस को लीड करना, बट एज आई सेड हसन इज ऑलरेडी अवेयर हाउ वी लीड द टीम, what are the responsibilities. I've already briefed Hassan about it, and as I said Hassan कि आपके लिए गालिब भाई always is there. In fact, the committee is there. कोई भी चीज़ आपको हो, किसी confusion हो, गालिब भाई is the first person. If not, the committee is always there to help you, guide you. ठीक है. Now coming to another topic, very interesting for all of you. I know, but by every player is important. No matter which country he represents, no matter which club he plays, and we have respect for all the players. यहाँ पे हमारे पास this club has people from India, from Pakistan, from Sri Lanka, एक बांग्लादेशी नाम रिटायर हो गया. But भाई with all due respect, हंसी मजाक थोड़ी बहुत चलती है, But please, मेरी हाथ जोड़ के रिक्वेस्ट है सबसे, as the Indians respect us, as the Pakistanis respect the Indians in the club. जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच होता है तो ना कोई इतनी बैंटरिंग होती है, ना कोई इतना वो होता है भाई टॉक अबाउट क्रिकेट, व्हाट द फ्लॉज, अप्स एंड डाउन्स. बट आई थिंक ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स आवर golden star, the king of Pakistan cricket, Babar Azam, has been attacked a lot. पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेट का जो इस वक्त किंग है, पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेट का, आई एम श्योर एवरी पाकिस्तानी believes, loves Babar Azam. We have trust in him. We all wish and pray that Babar Azam comes back to this form and he makes history like Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is no doubt an international. He's a legend. All due respect, there is no single cricketer जो भी क्रिकेट का फैन है वो मुझे ये नहीं कह सकता, ना ही मैंने आज तक सुना है यार विराट कोहली ये विराट कोहली का नाम आया, धोनी का नाम आया. So everybody like the entire cricket fraternity respects him. But group में I would say please avoid this Babar Azam versus Kohli. ये message now. I have done already what I have done already what I did last time. So I hope I don't need to do that thing again. ठीक है? Now coming back to the trophy man. Coming back to the trophy man, I would like club's vice president, Mr. Khalid, to take over from here and start handing over the trophies. Thank you very much.
बहुत
अच्छा भाइयों, सबसे पहले तो little feedback about the tournament which we organized during the summer activity. तो आप लोग कुछ अपनी राय देना चाहते हैं, कोई बंदा कुछ फीडबैक देना चाहता है तो प्लीज़ कमेटी को अपने कैप्टन को इन्फॉर्म करें, बिकॉज यू नो नेक्स्ट ईयर वी वांट टू डू इट in a much better way. It was first time for us. Many new things we learned. There were few things already people have given some ideas. तो आप लोगों का जो भी फीडबैक है प्लीज़ नेक्स्ट समर तक हम लोग एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाएंगे जिसमें शेयर योर थॉट्स एंड फीडबैक आगे नेक्स्ट ईयर कौन सी गेम इंक्लूड करनी है, कौन सी एक्सक्लूड करनी है, तो वी कैन ऑर्गेनाइज इट इन अ मच बेटर वे इंशाल्लाह. ठीक है ना? Starting off with this 2025, hopefully everybody enjoyed. Our main aim was that every member of the Scorpions Club gets to participate. It's not just about being the best player playing the sport. It was about a team event. So we designed it in such a way where everybody gets to participate in the tournament. So hopefully we were successful in that, and everybody had good fun. So we'll start the first award, and I would like Mr. Amir Tukhar to please come and hand over the trophy. This is for the one man who has really supported us despite his medical condition, and he came and supported us, took our pictures, and
From Iceland.
From Iceland.
All the way from Iceland.
All the way from Iceland.
All the way from Iceland.
like to call Mr. Wajir Hassan Star.
From Iceland. From Iceland. इसी बात है, जैकेट होता है नहीं चल लास्ट
सांस नहीं रोका जा रहा था
बस गले भी
खड़ा रहे
सेकंड फोटो वो मोशन भाई भी ओए ओए प्रोफेशनल लग रहे हैं मोशन भाई फोटो छोड़ो पोज देखो ये फोटोग्राफर का पोज है साथ आया भी है
Thank you
यार भाजी यार
तेरा
नाम लिखिए छोड़ दे
Okay.
थैंक यू यार भाजी यार.
Next award is for throughout the tournament there have been many players who came and gave their best. So one of the criteria for this award was that they came and attended every sport. So they participated in every sport and not only participated, gave their best. So
despite the bantering he had to face.
Despite the bantering that they were giving and everything. So I would like to call upon Mr. Naveed to please give away the award. And it's Fair Play Award for Hassan Ahmed.
कोई नहीं
पूरा पैंट तो पहन के आते हुए अवार्ड था तो अपन तो प्लीज से 2 words. Thank you. 2 words also. Thank you. Asad 2 words also. Shut up. Thank you Asad bhai.
For the next set of awards, I would like to call upon Mr. Mohsin Jamali to please do the presentation.
Okay, guys, thank you once again. Thank you, Khalid. Okay, as you can see, there are many trophies on the table. एक-एक करके सारी देनी है. One trophy, which I think the man deserves. He has been doing great, especially in organizing. He was, I mean, the entire club knows that he has been my right hand with his creative ideas, with making flyers, with making videos, with posting on social sites, with organizing, as well as leading his team to victory in one of the tournaments, chasing all the other events and trying to top the group. But however, I would like to give the most impactful leader of the tournament award to none other than Ghalib bhai.
रियली
हेलो वाइस कैप्टन तो भी है उन्होंने तो इस सब तो आखिर में दे
ये ट्रॉफी नहीं आ रही
पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ जाएगा अब ऑर्डर नहीं मिलूंगा
Okay, as I said, quite a lot of hard work has been done in organizing this Scorpion Summer X tournament, and trust me, that award that we just gave to Ghalib Ali does not. I don't know. I should not be using the word justify, but a small token of appreciation from my side. I would like to give it to Mr. none other than once again Ghalib Ali.
क्या बात है
ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस आया है.
परफ्यूम पता तो लगे आएगी
दीजिए भाई माशाल्लाह
लगा दो
महबूब मेहराब
Thank you, Ghalib. Okay, now coming to most valuable player of the tournament. But before I give that award, I know मैं सबसे पूछूंगा पूरे क्लब से, पूरी टीम से, सब लोग बोलेंगे most valuable player should go to Hassan Jaswal. No doubt. A big round of applause. क्योंकि हर स्पोर्ट में माशाल्लाह Hassan Jaswal has performed well. He has made sure that his team, Desert Stingers, won the championship and they have won it successfully. The backbone of Desert Stingers was Hassan Jaswal
and ChatGPT as well.
So yes, मुझे पता है कि सब लोग यही सोचेंगे यार MVP का अवार्ड हसन जसपाल को जाना चाहिए, मुझे पता है. लेकिन ये जब डिस्कशन मेरा हुआ कमेटी वालों के साथ और उनसे जब बात की तो तय ये हुआ कि यार मोस्ट वैल्यूड प्लेयर उस बंदे को जाना चाहिए कि जिसने ना सिर्फ मतलब सारे गेम मोस्ट ऑफ द गेम जितवाए बट ही इज अ स्टार इन हिमसेल्फ। किसी भी स्पोर्ट को ले लो, ही इज अ स्टार इन हिमसेल्फ। तो ये अवार्ड मैं देना चाहूँगा। आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन आवर न्यू कैप्टन मिस्टर शेट्टी टू गिव अवे द अवार्ड।
इसका मतलब क्यों नहीं है? इसका मतलब क्यों नहीं है?
I'd like to call upon the most valuable player of this Summer Scorpions X event. Any guesses? Any guesses?
सना वाला आती
I think that guy, that side did not guess it, this side did not guess it. I'll tell it. It is none other than Hassan Jaswal.
पहले मना किया है, चीटिंग है यार।
पहले
पहले मना किया है।
उनकी आंखों में पानी आ गया था।
लगा नहीं दे रही।
ये बीके गवर्नमेंट कप्तानों ने आपस में सेटिंग की है।
गूगली नहीं है।
कप्तानों ने सेटिंग की है आपस में।
विराट कोहली और बाबर आजम एक साथ
कोहली और बाबर
बाबर और कोहली एक साथ
थैंक यू ओली एंड बॉबी। सिंगल ले लो।
एहसान की है
बाबा राजा मारे जाओ।
हसन भाई थोड़ा सर नहीं आ रहा है वीडियो
थोड़ा सा लंबे हो गए यार इसके लिए।
थोड़ा सा
हसन भाई
कैसे करेंगे?
हसन भाई थोड़ा सा बैठ जाओ तो वीडियो जब सर कटा आ रही है नहीं वो वीडियो जो भी सर कटे आ रहे शेट्टी ने किसको ट्रॉफी दी
Okay, guys.
वीडियो
One more thing. At times I do say things, but that does not mean that I forget my things. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एक चीज़ जो अल्लाह ताला ने जो एक नेमत दी है याददाश्त, वो है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने एक वादा किया था कुछ लोगों से और लोग समझे कि यार वो वादा बस ऐसे ही था, वो ज़रूरत की तो वादा हुआ। तो I'd like to call upon 3 people who at that time, as I said, like each and every Scorpion member is very important, very critical. But we had a situation where we had to play a match, and I requested, I begged that please give your availability. There will be a special prize for you guys. And उसमें जब 3 बंदों ने जो क्या कहते हैं मतलब इज्जत रख ली और मैच हुआ, so I'd like to call upon those 3 guys and a small token of appreciation from my side. I'd like to hand them over to these people, Jaswal brothers and Vaji.
बहुत बढ़िया
कमेटी वाले बेचारे आ रहे हैं।
ये भाई
माशाल्लाह।
बच्ची
भाई ये छोटा सा वादा था तो बड़ी चीज़ नहीं, छोटा सा टोकन है। आई होप दे एक्सेप्ट इट एंड देन
Thank you, भाई।
थैंक यू।
मैं तो दम आ रही।
भाई थोड़ी सी लग रही रूह आई है
नाउ फॉर द
पहले कर दो फिर मैं बाकी चालू करूँगा।
So now coming to the again back to this Scorpions Summer X event. So the tournament which was the first tournament that we had was of badminton, and the house that clinched the title was none other than Phantoms. Phantom Claws Phantoms. And I'd like to call upon the captain of Phantom, Mr. Ghalib Ali, to receive the award for his team.
आजा आजा आओ ना।
Anchar ji, please, whoever is there.
और ये 3 ही है। हमेशा 3 ही होते थे। अरे तू भी हाथ रख ले कहीं। उसने मौसम में रखा काफी है।
अरे भाई आप
ये इनके कान पकड़ लो ना
क्या बात है वासिफ भाई, माशाल्लाह। थैंक यू।
Now the mic is over to Mr. Galib to continue with the proceedings of the tournament. Galib.
ठीक है. So, yeah, overall the matches went to the wire. We had excellent semi-finals and finals. So almost every house won a trophy or won a tournament. But we know that desert stingers, they stung everyone else. So I would like to call upon Atif for the bowling championship, which was won by Desert Stingers. Fizan bhai, give away the trophy, please.
वीडियो बंद हुआ.
नहीं वीडियो नहीं आ रही, लेकिन वो है कि हसन भाई सारी में नहीं आए. चल रहा है.
थैंक यू।
मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे किया.
Okay, then I will say that one of the most exciting tournament sport which we had was the table tennis matches. Then the final was first of all I think Amir, he did very well in his match against Javed Bhai. So congratulations. And then in the final, Fizan Bhai was against Amir Habib, and out of syllabus, Fizan Bhai won the title for Venom Vipers. So I would like to call upon Irfan to please come and give away the trophy,
टीम आ जाओ भाई. एक तो मिलिए. एक तो हम दोनों सेंटर में. कप्तान हो आ जा आमिर.
नहीं बस सही.
Nice one, team. Nice one.
मैं उनकी टीम. प्रधान भाई आपका बनता है.
मेडल दे दो.
Next we will move on to the bowling tournament. Once again, bowling tournament. Pool tournament, which again was fought very well. And in the semi-final, Hassan Jaspal and his partner did very well in defeating the
Vipers.
strong player of Farhan Bhatt and Amir Iftikhar. So excellent work by Desert Stingers once again in the 8-ball pool tournament. I would like to call upon Shahab to please come and give away the trophy.
आज भी पूरे हैं यार. ये आज भी पूरे हैं
भाई. ये कितना वीक टूर्नामेंट था. अल्लाह के हमारे कैप्टन का कंट्रीब्यूशन है ग्रुप में.
यार आप लोग मेन प्लेयर कहाँ हैं?
सना भाई नहीं है ना मेन.
थैंक यू.
मेन का सना भाई क्यों? सना भाई ट्रैवल कर गया.
And finally to the cricket tournament, which was the decider for the full championship, where Atif once again did very well throughout the tournament, but in the final, Atif's team was no match for the Night Crawlers. So after crawling throughout the tournament. Finally they reached at the top and won the cricket championship. I would like to call upon Arif to please come and give away this award to Wasim bhai.
क्या उठा रहा है? हाँ बात है यार।
असल में इधर आते हैं, असल में इधर आते हैं। इस तरफ आते। हाँ इधर से कोई
Thank you. Now, and three of my players are not here. So Idris, Johar, and Safran. Missing you here in the event, but this is dedicated to you guys also. Thank you.
So, ये repeat अभी करनी है ये देने के बाद
लास्ट में पहले ये
वो दो। I would like to call upon committee members Mr. Faidan Hassan and Wasim bhai to unveil the trophy, please. Little background about the trophy, guys. After you see the trophy, you will get to know a lot of time, effort, and money has been spent on this trophy because we want to make something unique, which will carry out for at least 5-10 years.
Inshallah.
At least 5 years. And it came all the way from India. It's made in solid wood. It weighs around 15 kgs. So you can imagine, we don't want to disclose the cost of it, but a heavy amount has been spent on this. So without further ado,
And this is the trophy which will be rotated every year. Yes. So this year Atif is keeping. I hope he does not keep it next year.
इंशाल्लाह।
If you don't make team from ChatGPT.
आदमी हर जगह होएगी।
बेड पे सोएगा नहीं, आज तो वीडियो वाली बनाएगा ना। एशिया कप भी ऐसा ही बनाया है।
Faidan bhai, please stay. So I would like to call individual members of the winning team. Please, Louis Khan.
ए नाडे।
थोड़ा जो ट्रॉफी भी है
ट्रॉफी बीच में निकले।
हमें नाम
छुपा रहा था कि पता नहीं तो मुझे मिली उसको मिली। Thank you. इरफान।
अरे ये बात
हाँ तू तो दो मैच है तेरे ना आंदे मिल रही है।
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है।
अली जसपाल।
माँ बॉय।
ये असली
हसन जसपाल।
संडे के कप्तान कैसे हैं आप इसमें
कोई चैंपियनशिप का पता नहीं।
हाँ हूँ ठीक है।
थैंक यू।
I would like to call Ammar to take this award on behalf of Sana bhai.
विनर टीम का सबको है। खेल होगा ना। विनर टीम। थैंक यू।
And Atif Islam.
कौन हो गया यार आप यार।
उसके कैमरे का मुंह ही फैजान भाई की तरफ है।
आतिफ कितने एक्स्ट्रा ले रहा है वो?
चलो आओ निकल ले भाई। अरे आई पहली ट्रॉफी आपने अपनी है। ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, कवर में रखेंगे तो मेरे पे। चलो
And finally, for the winners of the after 6 weeks and very hard fought tournament, the Scorpion Sports X 2025, the winners, Desert Stingers, Atif and Team State. So before taking the trophy, a few words for our viewers, please.
हमें तो खाना खाना
Thank you very much.
अरे एक यार
थैंक्स टू चैट जीपीटी
मौसम भाई,
नहीं भाई 2-3 मिलके उठाना उसको
है ना?
ये मान ली
उतारो मौसम भाई 1 BHK
एमबी कमर हमारा
इधर ही रखें
यात्री
इसको कुछ एक्शन करके उठाओ ना यार कुछ ऐसा वाला वो चलने वाला
करी जरा।
ये वाला इतना सारा है यार ये वाला कौन सा हो गया
2 साल वड्डी है ये
एक मिनट यार, एक मिनट।
नीचे रख दो
एक मिनट फैजान,
चलो जी
फैजान बेबी
अरे मैं
अभी चम्मच
खान चम्मच डाला
हाथ तो आए मुंह में लगा
वही
अरे वो वाला सीन लो यार वो है कि फिर ये वाला यार
गिरना नहीं है वहां पे मत बैठो
बड़ा रोंडे ही लगे
अभी पकड़े रहेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, क्या हो गया? ये फान है ना पकड़ने के लिए, किधर है?
आ जाओ हो गए 5 पूरे हो गए सबसे ज्यादा हमारी टीम के ही आए
इतना खाना मंगाए वो पैक करता
सना में से बड़ी है
आज भी अटेंडेंस के पॉइंट हमें ज्यादा
हाँ नाटे आ गया
जगह तो वहाँ खाली पेट करके
इधर आ गया
अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है
तो उधर आ जाओ
कर दो भाई
उस तरफ आ जाओ
कौन अलाउ नहीं कर रहा
Alright guys,
So guys, before we end this thing, I hope everybody enjoyed this summer event. And as I said, कोई भी suggestion है anything for the next year, keep approaching the committee, come up with your ideas, any suggestions, any complaints throughout the year.
इधर रख दे
Approach us, approach the committee members, and wishing you all the very best for the next season 2025-2026. Thank you very much. Thank you.